So my name is Pedro Costa. My title of my thesis is Measuring Service Quality. The agenda for today, I begin with the introduction. Next, I show the problem that I will resolve. Then I will show the research methodology. Then I show the related work and theoretical background behind my problem, and then I show my proposal to resolve the problem, and finally I show the evaluation and the future work. My thesis area is IT outsourcing. For many years, companies have invested significant capital to own their software and hardware. Nowadays, cloud computing is revolutionizing the IT industry, enabling lease of their digital goods. And my research methodology initiates with a defined problem. Then I show next. Then I define the objectives of solution. This includes the theory, the related work, and theoretical background. Based on this, I develop my artifact and model to resolve the problem. And I will make some demonstrations, evaluations, and finally communicate to the scientific community. My problem. My problem. Cloud computing is experiencing strong adoption in the market, and it's far from mature. The risks and the costs integration with the cloud computer have top concerns to the decision makers. And these concerns and issues are about security, offshore data housing, lock-in, and compliance. And this makes that my problem. That is, the decision makers are postponing the decision to migrate their business and functions to cloud computing. To solve this problem, I made a literature review and some searches, and I found some evaluation models. ICT-SE, APDEX, sourcing capability model, SME cloud, and SME. These are based on this, and the three first are more focused on performance and don't have any criteria to evaluate the services. And the last two have this criteria, but are some issues and some flaws that I will explain next. After I searched some multiple criteria decision analysis, and I found the Utah methods, analytical hierarchical process, and Macbeth. We use these MCDA frameworks to rank the criteria that some decision makers gonna rank, and show and say what are the best criteria and the most important to evaluate the services. We choose Macbeth because there I focus on the quantitative judgments and not qualitative. My theoretical background is SME because I'm based on the SME to do my proposal, because the SME provides a standardized method for comparing business services, and it's designed to measure cloud-based solutions. This is a hierarchical framework with 7 categories: accountability, agility, assurance, financial, performance, security and usability, and each one have 3 or more attributes. Some flaws I found in the SME are related to redundant attributes. There are attributes that means the same of others, and some attributes are missing. For example, innovation, compliance, confidentially, and risks, and others. These criteria are SME does not say what criteria are more important than others, and I try to solve this, and does not have KPIs to key process indicators to evaluate these services. My proposal is based on set of to construct the set of measurement criteria to evaluate cloud computing functions and services based on the best guidelines, using Macbeth to rank these criteria. My objectives with this proposal is reduce the flaws stated in related work properly in the SME, achieve some benefits to organization related with risks and cost reductions, clarifying the decision maker doubts about what are the better outsource strategy to follow, help decision makers to choose their cloud providers, and improve the efficacy and effectiveness of outsource contracts with SLEs and others. I made my first version of my criteria, my measurement criteria. There are 6 groups and some criteria to evaluate effectively the service. To demonstrate my proposal, I'm going to do some practical applications in some organizations, and to evaluate, I will do the interviews and questionnaires. I search from feedback from the scientific community and use these 3 frameworks, Moody and Shakes, for assess the quality of my model, ServQual to measuring and managing quality of service that my model brings to organizations, and Austral principles to validate if my solution is met the objectives, the first objectives. My future work is to write a paper to EAA Cloud, and next I will make a criteria elicitation with the decision makers, and ranking these criteria, and construct the final version of the model and some proposal improvements with some feedback. And it's all.